願你知，在相戀之中太多可愛事，現時原沒法語將狂淚和暴雨。Please tell me, please tell me your history tonight. Please whisper to me, please show me your history.